Video games are a source of entertainment, creativity, and even personal growth. Whether you're an avid gamer or don't play at all, this video is for everyone. Today I will explain positive aspects of gaming and highlight the importance of moderation and awareness when it comes to spending time and money on them. Also keep in mind that I myself am a gamer and play regularly, so this topic I am fairly passionate about and I might be a little bit biased. I encourage you to do further research. Additionally, the principles can be applied to all forms of gaming, not just video games. In the words of Aristotle, happiness depends on ourselves. Video games can offer a healthy escape from the stresses of daily life, allowing them to help us immerse ourselves into captivating worlds and forget our troubles for a while. Just as the ancient Greeks sought refuge in storytelling and theater, we are able to find solace and rejuvenation in the interactive narratives. Video games offer a unique platform for skill development and cognitive stimulation, from honing hand-eye coordination in action-packed shooters to exercising strategic thinking in complex strategy games. Gaming challenges us to think creatively and adapt to ever-changing scenarios, an increasingly important skill as we mature and strive for success in our busy world. In the digital age that we live in, gaming serves as a bridge that connects people from all walks of life, whether you go alone or team up with friends for multiplayer matches. Joining online communities to share tips and strategies, foster camaraderie, and build lasting friendships. It was Plato who said, "You can discover more about a person in an hour of play than in a year of conversation." Some of the best friendships I've ever had were ones I met online. Minecraft really sticks out as one of those games. In playing Minecraft, I gained friendships with people all over the globe, something only made available to everyone in the last 30 years. It was Epictetus who said, "Moderation in all things, especially moderation." While gaming can be a source of joy and enrichment, it's important to maintain balance and moderation. Just as ancient Stoics emphasized the importance of self-discipline and self-control, we must exercise restraint in our gaming habits and prioritize other aspects of our life, such as work, relationships, and our physical and mental health. It's easy to forget about these real-world issues and problems when the digital world is so pleasing and, honestly, much more attractive than the harsh and largely unforgiving world that we live in. The Roman poet Horace said, "He who is greedy is always in want." The gaming industry offers a plethora of enticing options, from new releases to in-game purchases, subscriptions, and so much more. However, like with anything else in life, it's crucial to approach gaming with financial awareness and responsibility. By budgeting wisely and avoiding excessive spending on games and microtransactions, we can enjoy gaming without falling into financial traps. Admittedly, I myself am guilty of spending a little too much for a better look or special items in a free-to-play game. The world of gaming is a vast realm filled with opportunities for fun, growth, and connection. By embracing the wisdom of ancient philosophers and applying modern insights, we can be assisted in navigating our life with wisdom and mindfulness. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to drop a like and leave a comment. Your feedback really helps me out. Also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Also, a link to my Patreon is in the description. Your support will help me deliver better and better content and help the channel grow. Thanks, and have a nice day.